everybody. This is going to be a video on how to charge your Apple keyboard and or your mouse. So if you're anything like me and you're like, well, how do I charge this, right? After you get this little notification, which takes about a month and a half to come, but it does show up eventually. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your keyboard or your MacBook, plug in your Thunderbolt or your USB, and then you're going to take your actual cable and plug it in basically right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. There you go, and you'll notice the notification went away, and there you are, you're charging now. If you wanted to actually charge your remote or your mouse, because that'll happen at some point, there's the charging point, right? So just basic stuff, not too hard. Hope this helped. And that's how you do it.